Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I am planning for the week of June 14th through the 20th. And this is going to be the week that summer begins. So I'm doing bright colors. I'm using the original first ever Be Happy box. It was, if I'm not mistaken, back in 2016. And it had these beautiful, gorgeous pink and green florals, and there were beautiful quotes and just these vibrant colors. So I am taking this out. I have other stickers, however, that match perfectly as well. So there's some in this color story book, and then there's also some in this Bright's mega book. So I have all three of those out for me to choose from and pull out of and everything like that. So I'm going to start out pulling this long sidebar box out of the color story book, and I wanted to put like to do or whatever on top, so I took that out. And payday, since it's always on the 15th, is weirdly on a Tuesday, so I put a little note of that. I had these two, they're supposed to be cut for like the monthly, but I found like a fun way this time to try and put the two notches together like this, or just this one notch over this other corner. And I turned it sideways, so it said, "Get it done," like sideways, which is a different touch, I thought. So that was kind of fun. And then the notch on the Fun Day one, there was like a cute flower that I put over that so that it didn't look, out of place or whatever, to have that little corner cut off. And it being a white back sticker, I cut the border off, or just like down a little bit, because there was a lot of white excess. From there, I needed a few different colorful boxes to put on the page. And, there are some boxes to choose from, but I needed I like to have a few different kind of shapes. I don't want everything to be a box or everything to be a rectangle. Like, I like there to be at different shapes, so like different hexagons, or in this case a circle. So I chose this turquoise circle that says reservations, and I layered it over this gorgeous sticker that I've been holding on to for a long time. So I layered that over again to cover up the corner that's cut out, since it's for a monthly. And I put it overlapping Tuesday and Wednesday. And then I, of course, covered up where it said reservations. And then the sticker that says "This is my year" came out of the Bright's mega book. In the Bright's mega book, I'm not sure about the other books, but there are 2 pages for each sticker sheet. So I have another one, and that was really the only reason that I could talk myself out of using it, or like into using it, because I really wanted to hoard it forever. And then I'm using my new favorite washi. I got the 12 pack of all the different washies on Amazon, and it came with all different black and white ones, and this one is my favorite. It's not exactly like polka dots, but it's kind of like spots, if that makes any sense, kind of like, cows, how they're all different shapes and sizes. And I really like that. And then out of the color story book, there's this page that you can see on the edge of the right page, or on the edge of the right, but it has all these different swatches. So I picked out that big one, and then I put Smile, Shine, Smile, Shine, and Take It One Day at a Time. So I layered that over top of it. And then I have a bill that I need to make sure all of our other bills are auto pay, but this one I haven't filled out the new form to have it auto pay since we've moved. So I still have to call and pay it. So I need to always put a note down to do that. And since I'm so into the layering and grouping, I layered the Happy Plants, Happy Life with that bill pay sticker. And then this other color swatch sticker was out of the Color Story book, and I put that down with the grouping over on Saturday. And then I put Getaway. Actually, it's not Saturday, it's Friday. I put Getaway on it because we're going to go visit our best friends this weekend. And this is going to be the first time that my husband and I have both gone. We've each gone individually, but this time it's going to be both of us and with the dogs and everything. So I'm very excited. Oh my gosh, just so excited to have some good time with friends. Then I put this You Can and layered it with this little black circle. Very cute. I just love the fonts in this sticker book. Then I used some more of those color swatches out of the Color Story and put that on Sunday. And I took out the travel book and I found a big sticker that says Arrived. So I put that on Sunday for when we are going to get home. Not like we're necessarily excited to get home, but you know, it's cute. Then I know I just put like the plain to do up at the top, but this one that says Do All the Things, it's cute and I want to use it. So I cut it in half so it could fit right up at the tippy top. I also forgot to mention that I put that long sticker under Monday through Wednesday because my husband was I thought supposed to be out of town this week, but he's not. So I'll see what I'm going to write in that. And I wanted one last black box because I thought it was a little bit empty. And I know for sure we'll do something on Saturday all together when we're at their house. So I put that down there. And then I wanted to use this teal happy sticker. So I used a little bit of whiteout on the corner to layer that so the black didn't shine through. And that's pretty much it. So I'll put it back into the discs for you. Thank you guys so much for watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment for more. Bye, guys.